the first thing is to make sure your printer is connected with any device like iPhone, Android phone, laptop, computer. Go to the HP Smart app. Here we have to select this printer. So click on the printer. On the next screen you get the option advanced setting. So click on it. It will ask you to go for a website, that is a HP website. So we can go here, and here we have to click on the settings icon, restore defaults, restore factory defaults. It will ask you to enter the pin of your printer. Open the front chamber and you will see the pin is on the left hand side here, so you just have to type in that. If your pin is correct, it will ask you to submit. Once we do that, we get option to restore factory defaults. Click yes, and it will start the reset process. You will see that lights will start to change on the display panel. This might take few minutes or seconds, so you just have to wait until the whole process is done. So you will get a confirmation on your mobile device. Thanks for watching.